Dividend-paying stocks continue to remain attractive to numerous shareholders as return on investment is pertinently key when it comes to determining where to put one's hard-earned money. Welcome to another edition of the Nigeria Investor. Last week, we talked about the delisting experience on NSE as well as firms that have so far released their Q1 2014 results. Today, we want to discuss on dividend declaration as well as the AGMs of Dangote Cement and Sterling Bank PLC. Many dividend-paying stocks fall under the category of companies that can be considered financially healthy, mature, and stable. The stock prices of these companies may steadily increase over time while shareholders enjoy periodic dividend payment. A cursory review into these companies that have declared dividend at the end of 2013 financial year end showed that 60 companies have so far toed this line as at May 2, 2014. Out of the 60 firms, 3 firms declared both cash dividend and bonus script, and they are ABC Transport, Julius Berger, and UAC Properties. Further analysis revealed that financial services stocks lead the pack with 20 firms and closely followed by industrial and consumer goods firms with 9 and 8 firms respectively, while natural resources has the least with 1 firm involved. Do you have any inquiry in relation to dividend payment by quoted firms listed on the exchange? You can forward such inquiry or comment to us via this email sss@proshareng.com. Last week, Dangote Cement and Sterling Bank PLC held their AGM. At the 5th AGM of Dangote Cement PLC, the chairman of the largest cement factory in Africa, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, received encomiums from various shareholders and also announced that DANGCEM will grow by 45% by mid-year as the company plans to add about 9 million metric tons to its existing production capacity. Let's hear from the richest man in Africa.
We are doing quite a lot of which you are not really aware. And we want also de-risk the business. In fact, we know that yes, Nigeria's consumption will continue to grow. But I can assure you, your company is not sleeping at all. We are leading, as I'm talking to you today, by the next 8 weeks, maximum 10 weeks, your company will go up by 45%. We are commissioning total of 9 million tons by July, plus additional capacity. So all these people who are profiteering, their profiteering will actually subside because we will pump in 9 million tons additional capacity into the market. And also,
the upcoming agents in the market are Julius Berger PLC on the 19th of June 2014, Beta Gas PLC on the 8th of July 2014. The following companies have declared corporate declaration. Julius Berger PLC declared 270 kobo and 1-for-1 bonus with closure date set for 2nd to 4th of June 2014, while Beta Glass PLC declared 38 kobo and closure date set for 5th to 9th of May 2014. Announcements in the market. Transcorp signed production sharing contracts with NNPC. Transnational Corporation of Nigeria PLC Transcorp has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that it has signed a production sharing contract PLC with the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation for the development of its oil block OPL 281. Transcorp won the block in the 2011 bid round and paid signature bonus of $30 million to the federal government. With the signing of the PSC, Transcorp will now proceed with its drilling plan for this prolific block with over 100 million barrels of proven P1 and 2P reserves of oil and 4 TCF of gas reserves. OPL 281 will be the centerpiece of Transcorp's energy business and will provide the gas feed stocks for its planned energy city in Delta State, which will comprise of its 1,000 megawatt capacity Transcorp Gili power plant and proposed fertilizer and petrochemical plant. Orlando extends completion date for acquisition of Nigeria upstream oil and gas business of ConocoPhillips. Orlando PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that the outside date for completion of the proposed acquisition of the Nigeria upstream oil and gas business of ConocoPhillips has been extended to June 30, 2014. Pursuant to an amendment agreement executed on April 30, 2014, Orlando Energy Resources and ConocoPhillips agreed to extend the outside date for the completion of the ConocoPhillips. Acquisition from April 30, 2014 to June 2014 to enable companies to satisfy all closing conditions, including the anticipated consent of the Honorable Minister of Petroleum Resources in Nigeria. On people and changes in board, Corn Oil appoints Sisaudia Sanjeev as new managing director. Corn Oil PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Mr. Sisaudia Sanjeev as its new managing director. WAPCO also appoints Thierry Metro as a director. Lafarge Cement WAPCO Nigeria PLC has notified the management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Mr. Thierry Metro as a director of the company. The World Economic Forum for Africa, first of its kind, is starting today in Abuja. We encourage numerous investors out there to watch out for this conference. That's all we have for you on this program on this week. I remain your regular anchor until I come your way again next week. Bye for now.